I don't think we can learn Buddhism from Instagram quotes or self-help books. And so I have a list of books that'll hopefully teach you what real Buddhism is. Hello, I'm Avinash. I study philosophy and history. Make sure you save this video. You might want to come back to it later. The first one on our list is What the Buddha Taught by Walpola Raula. Written by a Buddhist monk and scholar, this is probably the cleanest and the most accurate introduction to the Buddhist doctrine that exists out there. Second on our list is In the Buddha's Words by Bhikkhu Bodhi. And this is where you stop hearing about Buddhism secondhand and start reading what the Buddha actually said. Now, this book is a slightly more demanding, but it'll be worth it. The third book on the list is The Heart of Buddha's Teaching by Thich Nhat Hanh. This is much softer in tone. The author explains the Four Noble Truths and the origins in a way that is philosophically accurate and also emotionally soft. And the last one on the list is The Life of Buddha by Bhikkhu Nanamoli. This is a biography drawn entirely from Pali sources. This one is framed as a record of who Buddha actually was, what the Buddha taught, and how the tradition of Buddhism formed around him. This is also one of the more demanding books, but it's gonna be worth it. Make sure you let me know if you've read any of these, and also make sure you let me know if there's something you read that I should read.